The lawn renovation's about a month old now, and it's coming in very nicely. I mowed it a few times with the manual Scott's reel, but I think it's time to bust out the Great Bambino, the Sultan of SWAT, the Colossus of Clout. By the way, this is my wife, Vicky.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Vicky.
And my beautiful daughter, Sophia.
Sophie.
Let's bust it out. It might be a bit early to bust out the Greensmaster, but it's just grass, right? By the way, shout out to the homie Danger Lawn. I saw him on Instagram cutting his perennial ryegrass lawn at day 10. That's impressive, bud. Salute. But first, there's a whole bunch of sticks and stones and leaves and debris on my lawn that I gotta clean off, because everybody who reel mows knows that there's nothing worse than nicking up your reel. I gotta tell you guys something. There's no better feeling than when you start mowing low. There's a reason why all your favorite lawn tubers are doing it. It's like a drug. It's addicting. Once you catch the Toro virus, there's no going back. Let's bring it down to a ½ inch. I still have a few bare spots in the lawn, and even though it might be a little too late right now, I'm gonna throw down a little bit more of the Midnight Kentucky Bluegrass seed, and hopefully it'll take. If you guys watched my video on the fall nitrogen blitz, you know that I've been throwing down a ½ pound of urea nitrogen in the backyard. So I'm gonna throw down a ¼ pound of that same fertilizer over here in the front to help spread some of this grass seed out. I'm really happy with how the lawn is starting to turn out. I know that if I just keep on mowing it, watering it, and fertilizing it, it's gonna spread out and it's gonna look even better than now. At first I was worried that I was gonna take until next spring to fill in because it's Kentucky Bluegrass, but now I'm pretty confident that it'll fill fully in by the time winter gets here. Filming my lawn renovation has been an awesome experience, and I'm so glad that I get to share it with you guys. I want to thank you for stopping by my channel. Making these YouTube videos has been some of the most fun that I've had since I've been a teenager. So it really means a lot to me that you joined me today. So if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button, maybe drop me a like. And with that, this is George from Princess Cuts. Peace.